Hey, this is Zack from Live Local Luxury, and if you play golf like me, you're probably wondering how do you fit your clubs in the 718 Boxster? Well, I'm here to show you. So we'll be using the trunk, which is this button, and then it just lifts right up. Your woods are going to be too long to fit in there. I'm 6 feet tall, and honestly, this isn't going to fit in the bag. So what you want to do is you take the grip side first, you insert that all the way into the corner, and then you gently rotate the head around. There's just enough space for me to get my driver in there. I'm going to repeat the process with the 3-wood and the 5-wood, which are a little easier since they're a little shorter. And then my bag has a rain hood. I like to use that just to prevent things from scratching and bumping around. So I'm going to zip that closed, and then I'll pick up my bag. This time we're going the opposite way, so you're going to take the head of all your irons in the bag. You're going to insert it down by the heads of all your woods. You're going to rotate gently as you shimmy the irons in. And as you can see, there is just enough space to fit. I can even take my shoes and throw them in there as well, so I don't dirty the interior. There you have it.